Okay guys, everybody just joined, and this is a funny competition for the parkour, and this is a dark. Whoa. And I go first. Oh, wait. Yes. Oh. Whoa. This is a strong glass window. Oh, it's not. Ah! Wait, that's one of my dad. Go, bruh. Go, yes. Oh, so you help me out. Oh, wait. Yes. Yeah, so my lip got. Oh, wait. Broke. And my brother got caught. And let's go. Whoa. Yes, yo. Good walking, good running. Yes. Wait. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. So, girl. Oh, because Oh, wait. I got pass or something. What? Oh, yeah, dragon fruit. Bruh. Okay, I'm gonna revive you. What? Oh, wait. Bruh. That is melon, bruh. Okay. See. Wait, where is it? Where is it? Wait, where is it? Where is it? Oh, wait. Oh, no! Yes. Go! Bruh. Yes. Green. No. Yes. No! He died. Then go. And you too, bruh. No! Oh, yes. I'm revived. I alive. Yes. Oh, wait. Yes. No. Wait. Done. Hey, yo. And let's go. And oh, wait. I'm not the last one. Hey, let's go. What the? Yes. Oh, snap. Oh, no. Yes. Wait. Sorry, guys. And let's go back to the video. Okay, and right. Yes. No. Oh, yes. I got it. Oh, yeah. Okay. No. Oh, snap. No. Ah! Okay, bro. Oh, snap. And guys, don't forget to like the video right now and subscribe this video right now and comment or save NPC and everything, and share this video right now. And why is your dark out right now? Now, Melon gonna kick you like that.